somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Mini Manny. The big fight.
What is wrong, Neşe? You look sad.
I know. I am a bit sad.
Because of the new member of your family?
How do you know about that?
Mutlu told me.
We struggled so hard to make peace with the Shopalots. Goochlu and I even made it to the world's core.
There's gonna be a solution for sure.
All our plans failed, though. Minnie and Manny and Goochlu, they didn't tell me anything, but I'm sure that they're mad at me.
Mad at you? Why would they be mad at you? You didn't break the deal, did you?
Yes, I know, but Shopalot Baby is in my house.
I don't think that Goochlu or Manny and Minnie are really mad at you.
How do you know that, Omer? You don't even know any of them.
You are mistaken. I do know them well.
How is that?
I am Goochlu, but this stays between you and me.
Oh, this is too much to take in.
Oh, sweet thing. You'll be fine now.
Oh.
Maybe I should try. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, sweet baby.
Ooh, let me have a try. La 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 la.
She's smiling.
La 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 la.
All right, let me have a try. Little Shapalot, you tiny Shapalot, what are you doing on Earth? How did you come all the way here? And like that's not enough, why do you cry all the time?
She's asleep. Let's tuck her in.
Hey, sis, why are you so sad?
Shopalots are about to attack our world with full power. Of course I'm sad, Mutlu. Oh!
Neşe, I found out where Manny is. He's on a Shopalot ship.
So did your conversation with the Pink Planet Chief settle anything?
Sadly, no, Neşe. The council chief can't be persuaded.
But we are giving their baby back to them. What else could they want?
They want the Earth.
They always wanted the Earth since the first day, I think.
Neşe, don't worry. The entire pink planet is gonna help. We'll do our best to protect the Earth.
Well, what about Manny?
I have a plan for that. We need to use the mysterious hat.
Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word.
Neşe, are you going to give them Shoppy?
I think I have to.
Neşe, I think this baby is actually pretty sweet.
I think so too. Hold on to me real tight.
Are you leaving now, dear?
I am, Mom. We don't have much time.
Do we have to give her back? She's happy here. Maybe she wants to stay.
See you later, Mom.
Neşe, Goochlu.
At last we found you!
Wait, where's Minnie?
She'll be here soon.
Hello there.
See? I told you.
Manny, my brother. Are you all right?
I'm fine, Minnie. Come on, get me out of here.
Step back.
I knew you'd come to the rescue.
Now it's time for the green crystal.
For the green crystal?
Of course. Since the Shopalots broke the deal, we can take the green crystal back.
Hold on to me, everyone.
Just think of the green crystal we gave to the Shopalot Council Chief.
Here we are.
All right, take the green crystal.
Wait, Goochlu. There are light rays around it.
What do we do now?
We can't do it. We should just take the green crystal and get out of here. But first, let's get rid of these colored lights.
Oh, we need to get out of this room. I opened the door. Let's leave.
There are only stars behind that door.
Shopalots are everywhere!
Oh, this is bad.
Hold on to me, everyone.
We need to hurry up. Goochlu!
Do you really think it is that easy to move in space?
Come on, Goochlu! Hurry up! I'm glad we made it to Earth. Neşe, do I see a baby Shopalot in your house? Or am I just seeing things?
You don't know yet. That's Baby Shoppy. It's the newest member of our family.
But how did this happen?
I don't really know how it happened. But Mom saw the baby Shopalot outside the window. She felt sorry and took her in. They love the baby so much.
I can see that.
As part of the deal today, they might demand the baby back and the green crystal.
Yes, I know. It might be the only option to give the baby back.
Pink Planet ships are ready.
All right then, the big fight is on.
Yay, our ship is here.
Then let's go.
Minnie to the Shopalot Council Chief. Let's talk about our deal. Yes, I know. You are mad at Neşe and the world. But Neşe has nothing to do with this. Baby Shopalot is happy. She is part of Neşe's family now. We want no trouble. We don't want to fight with you. We have the green crystal. If we can make a deal again, I can give it back to you. Don't make a rash decision. Think this through.
So you're not gonna blame me for all that's happened to us, Minnie?
Why would we blame you, though? It is obvious that the baby Shopalot fled and then came to Earth. This isn't your fault.
Our ship is being targeted.
Haha! Do you think it's easy to beat us?
Planet Earth is home to our dearest friends. We would never leave them alone.
Minnie to the Shopalot Council Chief. Our offer still stands. All right, then we'll see you back on Earth.
What did he say?
If we give them back the crystal and the baby, they'll finally leave us alone.
Aha! That's great!
Open your mouth. Here comes the spaceship. Here comes the spaceship.
Whoa! Open your mouth, you cute little baby. I never had such delicious baby food before.
That's not right, son. We made this for you, too.
I don't know. I've never really seen you caring for somebody else like this before.
We cared for both you and your sister just like this. You were so little. Of course you don't remember.
Shop-a-Lot Council Chief has agreed to make a deal again.
That's great news.
Hear that, Shoppy? I knew your big sister would figure it out.
They want us to give Shoppy back.
But sis...
They'll be here soon, okay? I have to take Shoppy. No, I can't do this. I'm sorry.
Neşe?
This decision should be Shoppy's. She can live with whomever she wants to. Wait a second. Make a choice, Shoppy. Do you want to live with the Shop-a-Lots or with us?
We're ready to sign the deal again, Chief. Oh, we got rid of them forever.
Oh, my dear daughter. I knew you'd figure out a way.
So, a happy ending!